It's now it's time to make the trunk area. The first things first. Let's turn off the subd SC, and we're just gonna pull these up to make it a little bit more curvier. Same goes over to the second one. Make sure that you're on the active element. Okay, cool. Now the actual thing begins. Turn on the subd, get that get that vertice line. Now let's make it L. Now make it a separate object. Leave it there. Just follow my lead. So we had a total of 8 extrusions or 8 vertices extruded. So we have 3 on the sides. So we're gonna get 3 on the sides to make a balanced face. We don't have to worry about the right side not matching. Make sure that there we go, space. One more time on the right side. Now it's time to fill. Now we have to push these outside. Now we have to pull them up to make it match with the side fender area. It's not a sub T of the fender. Now SC0. Make sure that the fender vertex is the active element. Now for this one, just pull it out just manually. Now A then Shift N to recalculate the normals.